Hey, what's going on guys? Simon Chess here, and today I'm going to show you how to capture black screen using French Defense Rubinstein Fort Knox variation, aka the Fort Knox trap. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Ladies and gentlemen, the black screen has been captured by white screen using the Fort Knox trap. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for more latest updates. And check out my recent video that popped up on your screen. Peace!